Wola, Shapfiri Wizard Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into everything SAD Ski. You know, we bring you the latest sports updates, and on this one today, we got you. Orlando Pirates gets fined by CAF. Yes, you heard me right. CAF fines Orlando Pirates 430,000 rands over chemical use and accreditation issues. But before we go straight ahead with those news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. CAF has imposed a substantial USD 220 25,000 USD dollars, which when you convert into rands, it's 430,000 rands fine on Orlando Pirates following their Fury CAF Champions League preliminary round clash against St. Lupopo last month, and Buccaneers were eliminated from the CAF Championship after a 3-3 aggregate draw, which they ultimately lost in a dramatic penalty shootout at Orlando Stadium in Soweto. The sanctions arise from two separate serious branches of competition and safety regulations during the second leg of the fixture at Orlando Stadium last month. The fine comes after CAF decided that Orlando Pirates would not be reinstated in the competition, leaving the current standings unchanged. This decision followed the Buccaneers' complaint about the ineligibility of Lupopo coach by Guy Bukasa and two players, Mulai and Wanete. Regarding Bukasa, the Soweto Giants urged that his suspension of for CAF Brawl during the Under 20 AFCON earlier this year in Egypt should have rendered him ineligible to sit on the bench. Bukasa was the DRC Congo head coach at the time, stepping down after his 1-0 loss to South Africa in the quarterfinals due to his ban. Bukasa was prohibited from sitting on the bench for six CAF inter-club matches, including both legs of the Pirates fixture. The Soweto Giants also claimed to CAF that the Congolese team registered their player Molaya outside the transfer window period and challenged the eligibility of Juanita, whom they allegedly held two passports. Orlando Pirates and the fine drama still carries on, but everything SAD Ski has learned that the bulk of the fine, 20,000 USD, which amounts to 343,000, was imposed on Pirates for the use of chemical products in the proximity to the locker room area of St. Lipopo. CAF's disciplinary ruling highlighted that severity of the offense, stating the action presented an unknown and potential risk to the health and safety of the players, officials of the visiting Congolese team. This uh, punitive measure confirms the allegations made by FC Lupopo following the match, who claimed a toxic substance was sprayed near their dressing room. In addition to the chemical offense, the Soweto Giants were handed a 5,000 rand, $5,000, pardon me, which amounts to 85,700 fine for their failure to manage match day logistics, specifically for failing to provide the visiting team FC Lipopo with a necessary accreditation. The lack of proper documentation led disorderly scenes and confrontations as the entrance of a stadium, further marring the highly charged match day atmosphere. Meanwhile, the CAF disciplinary committee also issued a two-match ban for St. Lupopo's Mukoko Amal for his threats and sportsmanship conduct during the same match. Please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. Do you think Orlando Pirates deserves to be really out of the CAF Championship, or do you think they should have made their way back to the CAF Championship? From your boy Isaac Why So Nice, ngithi umdaro wentsumba, ezinye zezinye izinto ezinjenganangqondo kakamele phinde ifihle ngamagagazi okuqala silekhmenze ngithi qim shelele.
tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is